Hello guys, it's Serenity, and today we're at Higuma Ramen. Why I'm doing a voiceover is because there's so much music in the background. So yeah, look. So first we got some gyoza. It looks so delicious. Let's dip it in that good old sauce. And this is a brand new restaurant in Addison. It's called Higuma Ramen. I'm so excited to eat it. Ooh, that's so good. Oh my gosh. It smells delicious.
Hey guys, it's Serenity, and we're eating some gyoza.
Gyoza, I'm super excited. Yeah, let's eat some more. Ooh, our next food just came. Is it the chicken? What is it? Yes, it's the chicken. Let's blow. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, gotta blow. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it look good and crispy. Ooh, let's try it again. Yeah, dip it in that sauce. I dipped it in that sauce. It look good. Ooh, yeah. Look at that good crisp. Ooh, look at that fat. Ooh, you know I like some chicken with some fat. That's good. Try it. Let's try it. Let's dip it in the sauce again. How's it? It's hot though, but it's good. Just looking around, looking what's around. That good food. Some good chicken too. So good. That is so good. Oh my god. Like, I really want some more of this. Like, this is really good. But that chicken is really good, you know? It's like such a cute little restaurant. Look at it. It's delicious food. Yeah, the art, look, that one's my favorite with like the bears and stuff. Well, all of them have bears. It's just so pretty art. I love it so much. Look at that tinned chicken. Man, I want to know how to make that chicken. That is good. Like, those gyozas have nothing on, nothing on that chicken. That chicken is way better than those gyozas. I mean, the gyoza's real good, but that chicken is the bomb.com. Yes, it is. Ooh, I can't wait for the ramen. Here it is. Whoa.
It's mine.
Mommy's ramen. Ooh, look at that.
I got spicy.
And look at my seafood ramen. I don't like tomatoes, but look at that. Ooh, I got lobster and clam and seaweed. Ooh, my first time trying fresh clams. That's gonna be good. Nice savory broth, probably. Ooh, what's that? It looks good though. Everything looks so good. Oh, that tomato. Take that out. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's try the ramen. I'm super excited. But first, let's try clam. Let's see how it tastes. That's good. I've never tried a really fresh clam before, so for that experiment, it's really good. And I really like the clam color. It's really nice. Ooh, look at that ramen. Ooh, you know that I like some fresh ramen, so this is gonna be good. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. Gotta. Looks so hot, but it's gonna be so good probably. That shrimp had good flavor. Ooh, let's try it. That's good. Why are you laughing at me? Don't laugh. That is not funny.
You love ramen.
Oh, ramen is so good. Oh, the camera. The camera. Look at that. Look at that. Another side view. Ooh, this is good.
So if you're ever in Addison,
So if you're ever in Addison, you should go ahead and get that Higuma Ramen. That is some good ramen right here. They'll keep you full and yummy. We'll leave the place and stuff in the description down below. So yeah, this is really good. I don't know what that green stuff is, but whatever. This is some good ramen. I'm in noodle heaven. Okay, ooh, can I try your ramen, Mommy? That was so good. Guys, thanks for tuning into my video, and I really appreciate it. And make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and press that notification bell so you can always know when I do another video. Thank you so much for watching my Noodles and Chicken page. And this is Serenity, and I'm out.